How to connect hosting your domain to Google Sites. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to connect a website that you have created in Google Sites and connect our hosting your domain so we can now access our Google Site website through our hosting your domain. So first things first, you're going to look over here on the top right. Let me unzoom here so you can see. There will be an option here, publish setting. Over here, this is where you will be able to see our current web address. So this is our subdomain right now. And Hostinger is a custom domain. So we would like to have the custom domain option over here. So we're simply going to click on manage and click on startup over here. And then you're just simply going to enter your domain over here. Enter the domain that you have. So for me, I had Cesar.shop. After this, you're going to verify your ownership, and then after that, you will then be able to connect your Google Sites with your selected platform that you have purchased your domain from. In our case, it's Hostinger, and that's basically it. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.